Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're diving into the Magic Bullet Portable Blender, a must-have for anyone looking to blend on the go. Let me start by saying, if you're in the market for the best Magic Bullet blender out there, look no further. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender is designed for convenience without sacrificing performance. It's compact, lightweight, and features a robust 100-watt motor. Perfect for whipping up smoothies, shakes, and even mixing in those extra nutrients with your favorite fruits and veggies. What sets this blender apart is its sleek design. It's crafted with portability in mind, featuring a convenient handled lid that makes it easy to carry and sip from anywhere. Whether you're at the gym, office, or traveling, this blender fits right into your lifestyle. Now, let's talk about blending power. Despite its size, the Magic Bullet delivers impressive performance. With its sharp stainless steel blades and reliable motor, it breezes through ingredients to give you smooth, consistent blends every time. Plus, it's quiet. No more waking up the whole house with your morning smoothie. One of my favorite features is its rechargeable battery. A full charge powers through 15+ blending cycles, making it perfect for multiple uses throughout the day. And cleaning? It's a breeze too. The blender is easy to disassemble and the parts are dishwasher safe, although the base should be wiped clean. To sum it up, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is not just a blender, it's a lifestyle companion. Whether you're blending up a quick protein shake post-workout or mixing fruits for a refreshing drink on a hot day, it delivers on both performance and convenience. That wraps up our review of the Magic Bullet Portable Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Have any questions or want to share your experience with this blender? Drop a comment below. Until next time, stay tuned and blend on.